Mitchell International is an 80-plus-year-old company in the auto physical damage space. So basically, if you think of collision repair in all aspects, from the moment the vehicle is in an accident to when the keys are handed back to the owner of the vehicle after the repair, or the total loss, as it may be.
Infogain has been a great partner for Mitchell for about 20 years now. They've been providing the right talent for us, and that helps us in areas where we have complex projects that require out-of-the-box thinking and really kind of coming up with new solutions that are more innovative and are different than what you would usually expect.
We never viewed Infogain as a vendor. We viewed Infogain as kind of an extension of our Mitchell family. Infogain never viewed us as a customer. Infogain viewed us as an extension of the Infogain family. I think we came together like that, and we still do it today.
There are really three factors that are essential when it comes to the partnership between Infogain and Mitchell. I would say one is the trust. I don't think there's anything that we could do and we could achieve without having built the right trust, and that's the first, I think, paramount element you need in order to be successful in any sort of transformation. Number two is around the people and the talents, and it takes a team of talents and people that are committed and dedicated in order to build transformation. And then last but not least is about the philosophy, right? You don't drive transformation without having the right vision, having the right strategic thinking, the willingness to also fail, and that's very much what I appreciate and what I get from Infogain.
Infogain devoted a whole part of their organization to learning about auto physical damage, learning the market that we're in, learning about our competition, and what could actually be brought to the table to actually push, Mitchell forward in the marketplace. So I think really the differentiator for Infogain versus other vendors was really around the sense of partnership that I think Infogain brought to the table.
So I like Infogain's level of commitment. I like the fact that they're open to get feedback, work with us together to make things better in engagement. Infogain's can-do attitude is really helping us overcome a lot of challenges. Projects that we thought would be challenged to complete, made possible with that can-do attitude.
What I really appreciate about Infogain is the ability to help us along the way, whether it's around thinking strategically long-term, or whether it's about executing on those very small steps. So that right balance between thinking big and delivering incrementally is really the key to success to me, and what Infogain is bringing to Mitchell.
Coming up with new innovative solutions for problems, and again, thinking outside the box about new ways of doing things in a way that delivers high quality to our customers. And I see Infogain as a company that would help us achieve that.
They're inextricably tied together. I mean, when Mitchell has done well, Infogain has done well. Now we're actually going into a massive growth phase of the organization, and I can't imagine being able to get through it without Infogain being there with us. So, we absolutely have a very, very bright future together, and I believe that we're kind of tied together.